The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. That's not from a YouTuber trying to sell you a course. That's from Charlie Munger, billionaire, genius, and Warren Buffett's partner in crime. But here's the thing. If getting rich was a video game, the first $100,000 would be level 1, but the difficulty would be level 99. Why? Let me show you. There's this Chinese bamboo tree. You plant it, water it, nurture it for 5 years, and it doesn't grow an inch above the ground. People think you've lost your mind. But if you stay consistent, in the 5th year, it shoots up 90 feet in just 5 weeks. That's what building your first $100,000 feels like. For the longest time, nothing happens. Then, suddenly, you grow faster than your old paycheck ever could. But until that magical spurt, here's what makes it so damn hard. Welcome to Level 1 of wealth building, also known as the financial Hunger Games. You have no money, no assets, no idea what you're doing, and maybe one motivational quote from Instagram keeping you alive. You're hustling at a job that pays just enough to keep you tired, but not enough to get ahead. Your paycheck shows up and instantly disappears like a magician's rabbit. Rent, groceries, Wi-Fi, unexpected dental appointment, boom, gone. Meanwhile, people on YouTube are telling you to just save 20% of your income and invest it into an index fund. And you're like, sir, I just overdrafted buying detergent. But here's the truth no one tells you. Everyone starts here, even the millionaires, even Charlie Munger. Starting from zero means you have to do everything the hard way. Earn more, spend less, build habits, learn the rules, dodge bad advice, and somehow stay sane through all of it. It's messy, it's humbling, but it's also the part that builds you. Because when you're forced to turn dimes into dollars, you learn how to make every dollar count. And when you finally do make money, you'll know exactly how to keep it. This is your Rocky montage. No fancy cars yet? Just grit, hustle, and maybe a spreadsheet that crashes every time you touch it. But keep going. This is where champions are made. Here's what no one tells you. Compounding has an ego. It doesn't reward the smartest. It doesn't reward the richest. It rewards the one thing most people can't handle. Time. It rewards the ones who don't give up when the results are microscopic. The ones who show up month after month, when nobody's watching. Then, when the time is right, it strikes. Your $10,000 becomes $20,000 without lifting a finger. Then $40,000. Then $100,000. And before you know it, you're no longer fighting the war, you're leading the charge. So yeah, in the early game, compounding is a no-show. But when it finally arrives, it doesn't play fair. It plays forever. And it plays for you. You're 25. Your friends are buying new phones, going on vacations, and flexing their brunch. You're meal prepping rice and beans and watching your portfolio grow by 87 cents. This is where most people quit. Not because they can't do it, but because discipline isn't sexy. Dopamine is. But the people who win, they choose long-term wealth over short-term waffles. If you're ready to stop chasing the quick fix and start building real wealth that grows when you're not even looking, hit subscribe right now. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Because if you think compounding's powerful, wait until you see what other strategies we're about to break down. We're just getting started. Keep watching. The best is yet to come. Stocks, mutual funds, real estate, Bitcoin. It feels like you're collecting puzzle pieces, but where's the picture? You're out here, reading the books, avoiding every flashy, get-rich-quick guru and dodging scams like a pro. But here's the thing. You're not just trying to build wealth. You're relearning what wealth even is. You're not just investing in money. You're investing in financial wisdom. You're building a mindset, a skill set, a playbook that no one can take away. And that, my friend, doesn't happen overnight. You're playing the game, but you're learning the rules as you go, and each move, each misstep is part of the process. So, yeah, it's messy, it's confusing, but the game you're learning to play, it pays off for a lifetime. You got a raise. Now your rent went up, you need a fancier car, and somehow you've subscribed to 9 streaming platforms you never watch. That's lifestyle creep. It's not a one-time decision. It's the small, sneaky shifts, the stuff you barely notice. It feels like treating yourself. It feels earned. But here's the catch. While your paychecks keep getting bigger, your savings stay exactly where they are. The problem? It doesn't feel like you're doing anything wrong until one day your money's gone without any real progress. And that's the trap. Lifestyle creep doesn't ask for permission, it just takes. If you're not careful, it can turn a good raise into a missed opportunity. And it's sneaky, because it feels earned. But if you're not careful, your income grows while your savings stay the same. You saved $300 this month? Amazing. Now you only need $99,700 more. Early wins don't feel like wins. That's where most people give up, right before things start to work. But remember the bamboo tree? You're watering the roots. You just don't see it yet. When you start, it's just you. No money making money, no passive income, no assets working while you sleep. You're trading time for dollars. That's it. But once you hit that $100,000, the game changes. Now you've got leverage. Your money has a job. It earns while you nap. And that is where freedom begins. Yes, the first $100,000 is brutal, but it's a rite of passage, a financial graduation. Once you cross that line, the money starts working for you. You have momentum, knowledge, and most importantly, proof that you can do it. That's when the bamboo breaks the ground. And then, it grows like crazy. Before we break into how to actually hit that first $100,000, hit that subscribe button. Because this channel, it's your watering can. We're growing bamboo here, not bonsais. Want to speed it up? Here's the strategy. Increase income. Get a high-income skill, start a side hustle, or job hop for better pay. Cut expenses. Track where your money leaks. Plug the holes. Invest early. Even $100 a month compounds beautifully. Avoid lifestyle creep. Don't upgrade your life with every raise. Automate everything. Make saving and investing as boring as brushing your teeth. And remember, you're not behind. You're just planting. Charlie Munger said it best. The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. And now you know why. But here's the truth. If you can do the first $100,000, you can do $1 million. Because the hardest part was believing it was possible. So, keep going. And I'll see you at $101,000.